Meaning of illusory.
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 Illusory. Illusory means something that is deceptive or misleading, creating a false impression. It refers to things that are not real, but appear to be real. Illusions, dreams, and mirages are all examples of illusory experiences. When something is described as illusory, it suggests that it is not dependable or trustworthy, and may lead to disappointment or misunderstanding. In summary, illusory describes something that is misleading or deceptive, creating a false impression. It implies that what is being perceived is not real and may result in disappointment or misunderstanding.